Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy salmon air fryer recipe. I'm going to do 3 fillets and I'm going to just do some basic seasonings. And yeah, 3 fillets, I'm going to put them in the air fryer and hoping to get that nice crispy edge. So for my ingredients, I have 3 salmon fillets. For my seasonings, I kept it nice and basic. So for my seasonings, I'm doing half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and I did about a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash, salt-free. All of this is just based on your preference and you should be doing it to taste. To coat the salmon fillets, I'm actually going to be using about a tablespoon of olive oil. Here you go. And I'm actually going to coat the salmon in the olive oil first before putting the seasonings on. Okay, so I have my gloves on. I don't like to really touch raw meat with my bare hands if I don't have to. So again, I'm just going to lightly coat the olive oil over. Make sure you get a nice coat. Try not to make a mess. So here, once my fillets are nice and coated, I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle the seasonings on the fillet as evenly as I can. And then I'm just going to go ahead and rub it all in. You can even do different seasonings too. I have like a chicken seasoning that I like to use on this too. You don't have to stick to like seafood seasonings. It just really depends on what you like. Next recipe I'm going to actually put pollo asado seasoning on my salmon because I really like the taste of that seasoning. Just rub it all in. This was more of like, you know, a basic all-purpose seasoning from Mrs. Dash. I like to keep things nice and simple. Okay, so that looks nice and good. We're ready to put our salmon fillets into the Instapot. Okay, so I have my Instapot ready to go here. It's currently on off mode, but I wanted to show you the air fryer basket in here. What I'm gonna do before putting the salmon fillets in here is I'm gonna do a light coating of fat-free cooking spray, just to make sure that, you know, there's extra protection and it won't stick to the bottom of the air fryer basket. So I'm just gonna be using this basic butter flavor fat-free cooking spray. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting the salmon fillets on here. I'm going to do one right here. And one right here. It looks like the other one isn't going to fit, so I'm just going to do 2 for now. Okay guys, so now I have the air fryer lid on top of the air fryer. This is the nice air fryer combo. So this Instapot actually has the regular Instapot lid and also it has the crisp lid for it. And this is just the base that you have for the crisper lid. Once you remove the lid, you actually have to put it on there to avoid getting burnt or damaging your counter. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm actually going to be doing air fry, and I'm going to be doing 400 degrees, and for now, we're going to try just 7 minutes. And then I'm going to push start. It preheats all by itself, and then once it's preheated, then it actually starts baking. So yeah, we're going to check in once the 7 minutes is up. So after setting the settings for an additional 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid. And from the looks of it, the salmon looks to be fully cooked through. I don't want to add any more time because I don't want my salmon to be super dry. So this looks good and I'm going to go ahead and plate it. Okay, so the salmon is nicely fully cooked, and it's still nice and moist, but fully cooked here. So yeah, this is a nice, quick, easy salmon air fryer recipe. Great for meal prepping. So what I'm just gonna do is put this in my containers and just eat for today and tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.